Yes, so part five, selecting and narrowing your topic. I'd like you to first watch, after you watch this video that I'm recording, I'd like you to next watch the video that I have posted here, which you see coming up. I'd like you to watch that. Okay. I think it does a great job of getting into the specifics around selecting and narrowing your topic. I'm going to get into that now also, though. So what you have done is you have proposed three different topics that you could write for your kind of commoner style, it's easier to say piece. The next kind of step in all of this is to then start to decide which one you want to use of the three that you wrote, and then build it out, build one of those out. When doing that, I want to give you all some tips for how to structure the two paragraphs. Okay, and so look at here. We have paragraph one. Paragraph one, that identifies your topic or your subject in terms of what it's not. What it is not. It does more than that, though, right? It challenges, it refutes these common misunderstandings, these false beliefs about your topic, about your subject. And kind of simply put, that first paragraph, the kind of purpose of it is, and as you sort of see me get at get at right here, it's like, hey, I know we usually think that X is dot dot dot, but it's not. But really try to connect with your audience, your reader, by having them follow along with what you're saying when you're like, I know that we think it's this, and we think it's this, and sometimes we think it's this. And they're like, yeah, I do kind of think it's that. These are all the things that I think about when I think about that. And then for that next paragraph, you turn it, you swoop in, and you say, well, let me tell you what it actually is. And then you bring in, your own definition of what X is. We have seen so many examples of this in the page on Canvas where I furnished all of these student examples. So, and as well as the original commentary piece. So you know where we're going with this piece. This will just give you some structure. What I want to emphasize is the first paragraph, okay, negates what the topic or subject is relative to these kind of lazy or common or easy or facile understandings of it. And then the second paragraph affirms what it actually is. Okay. I think that's enough to get going.